I got Mike with me today from Mike's Wild World. He's out at camp. We've been exploring and around in the woods, and now we've come back to camp to make some lunch. I already forgot. Oh no, he's having. Since we didn't have breakfast, he's going to be cooking his breakfast. Isn't that right? You're gonna cook breakfast?
Absolutely.
Brunch. He's having brunch. What about this little stainless steel pot I just got from a thrift store for $2? I like it because the lid doesn't come off, and it has a strainer in there. But right now I just boiled some water for some coffee, so that's what I'm having now. And Mike's over there making coffee too. Hey, something else I got was this. Look at this. Kurt, north of 51, from Canada. He made this canvas bag and sent it to me a couple weeks ago. And today I'm using it for my food bag. I got my got gravy mix, like chicken breading. Got some veggies. Got my cooking oil. Got my cast iron skillet. Thanks again, Howard Cabot, Bluegill. He sent me this probably, gosh, I bet it's been 4 or 5 years ago. Little Wagner ware cast iron skillet. Perfect for this kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get to cooking. What you gonna cook?
Well, the meal of today is ham and eggs and bread.
Like all together, or like a sandwich?
No, just on a plate, just like breakfast at the Waffle House. Ham.
Interesting. And coffee.
And coffee.
All right. Smelling pretty good over there. I'm just going to let it sit there and drain a little bit, drain some of that oil off, and then we'll make some gravy. How is it?
That's excellent. Or you might say it's excellent.
Mine's smelling pretty good, Mike. I got my cube steak cooked, got my rice cooked, and now I'm just waiting on my green beans, and I got my gravy. Oh yeah. I'm ready. The coffee was good, but you know what would be better than the coffee with this, don't you, Mike? Well, you know. Maybe some Texas Pete. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat. See?
You want to trade?
I don't know, man.
Mine's mostly gone, you know.
Rice and gravy. I love some rice and gravy. Some green beans. Do you ever fry cube steak?
Yes. Lately it's been cubed pork, though.
Oh, yeah, that's good too, though. Heck, really kind of like that better sometimes. It's funny, other parts of the country, you know, and we just call this cube steak, right? Fried cube steak.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of people call it chicken fried steak.
They do.
Well, we don't call it that.
No.
It's just fried cube steak, right?
Fried cube steak.
Yeah.
And down to the bone.
Yeah. Well, if I have any bones in mine, I'm gonna be concerned.
I would be.
Mm. All right, we're gonna finish our lunch, and then we'll check back in with you after that. Okay. All right, that was real good. I like it. I like it when Sean and Timmy, when they come up with a cast iron Wednesday, that it's something that I like to eat. You know, which most of the time it is. But anyway, it was very good. I appreciate y'all hanging out with us for a little while we cooked our lunch. And thanks to Mike for joining me. And I guess that's it. We're gonna pack up and go home. And we'll see y'all later. Bye. You know, if you were here, he brought his own.
But
mean-
if you were here, I'd share.
No, he could have cooked it and served it. I mean, that. What can a friend do?